Sweet. All right. What's going on, everybody? So
But
this is day one of us doing a new challenge, which is taking Harsh's project from a couple $100 a day to what's the goal for this month?
$30,000.
All right. So we're gonna go from a couple $100 a day to hopefully $30,000 in this month. Harsh, you want to give like a little quick introduction of like who you are, and how you found out about this that we're doing.
Sure. Yeah. So I started ecom 2 months ago, tested a couple of products, nothing really went anywhere until I tested this product. And yeah, so the first month I did like 10K and I kind of was stuck there until I found Alex on YouTube, kind of joined his community. And literally in just 1 week, we started doing from like $300 a day. I started doing like 800, 900 because he like broke the limiting belief that you can just scale, and double your budget instead of just like, making more ads. So he broke that limiting belief from me. And then this whole challenge kind of started and I applied to it and I got accepted. So that's how we're kind of here right now.
Heck yeah. I'll give a little bit of context for everybody on like what we're doing with this challenge. Pretty much we're doing a deep dive. They're called deep dives. We're doing a deep dive for 30 days where we're literally going into the trenches of identifying different opportunities that exist for optimizing for the project, and then literally just directly executing on them together. We're documenting all of this. You can actually check out Harsh's ecom.live channel. You just go to ecom.live/u/harsh. And that's where all of the actual deep work is being documented for members. And I wanted to go ahead and just do a little bit of a recap, like a journal on a daily basis as we're going through this, so that we can all kind of be in the loop of what is being executed on. This is also going to kind of be as a little bit of an accountability system so that we're actually executing on the items. But yeah, we're running everything by having 3 action items on a daily or multi-day period where we identify what are the next highest opportunities, and then we literally execute on those one at a time. I like to call it the big 3, something my advisor passed along to me, and I use it pretty religiously now. So cool. In terms of just a quick little daily recap or journal of what we had going on today. Harsh, what was the big 3 items that we had on the to-do list today?
Yeah, so today it was injecting the bottom funnel creatives and also increasing the spend from $400 to $500 a day. Gathering thoughts on upsells and pre-sales, which we went over, and then brainstorming like the next creatives, top of funnel creatives that we're gonna be making.
Beautiful. Did we have any challenges that you felt that we faced kind of as we were executing on this today?
Not really, no. It was pretty straightforward and we got a lot done.
Beautiful. What are we doing tomorrow?
We are going to be executing on the variations. So, we identified the hooks, the leads we're going to be making, and then, targeting the pain points. And also kind of just coming in together, making sure that, we're getting the after sales or like the post sales done and hot jar as well. So getting that quiz out and then brainstorming next image ideas that we can also target people with.
Yep, 100%. Upsells, both pre-purchase and post-purchase, absolutely massive. I think that's going to be huge as it gets implemented. We'll be able to extract more revenue from customers and cracking additional content, image content that is utilizing the pain points and speaking to the different stages of awareness that we have. It's going to just kind of add a little pizzazz to everything that's being ran. So super excited for it. Again, if you guys are curious to actually watch the trenches of this as we execute, you can take a look on Harsh's channel. That's where everything is going to be posted on Ecom Live. And if you want to connect with Harsh, myself, and other operators, you can hop in the Discord. That's where we're going to be running it.
Yep.
Cool. That's all I have for today. It's kind of a little quick recap, but I'll catch you guys later. Stay tuned.
See you guys.